Now let's look at the World Network of Biosphere Reserves. Now 12 out of the 18 biosphere reserves are part of the World Network of Biosphere Reserves based on UNESCO Man and Biosphere Program. Now, the first one to be included in the list was Nilgiri, which is in Tamil Nadu. Then we have Gulf of Mannar, which is in again Tamil Nadu. Sundarbans was included in 2001 in the state of West Bengal. Nanda Devi was included in 2004, Uttarakhand. Nokrek, 2009, Meghalaya. Panchmari is in Madhya Pradesh. Shimlipal is in Odisha. Achnakaram Khamar, Amarkantak is in Chhattisgarh. Great Nicobar is in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Agastya Malai Biosphere Reserve is in Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Kanchenjunga National Park is in Sikkim. Panna is in Madhya Pradesh. Now, Kanchenjunga National Park is one of the highest ecosystems in the world, located at a tri-junction of Sikkim, Nepal, and Tibet. It was inscribed as India's first mixed World Heritage Site. Now, let's look at some of the sacred groves. Sacred groves are patches of primeval forest that some rural communities protect as an abode of deities. Now, these sacred groves have been legally protected under community reserves in the Wildlife Protection Amendment Act of 2002. Now, in Andhra Pradesh, these are known as Pavitra Vans. In Arunachal Pradesh, these are known as Gumpa Forest. In Manipur, these are known as Ghamkhap Mahuk. In Meghalaya, these are known as Khilo Leong. In Rajasthan, these are known as Orans, Jog Maya. In Goa, they are known as Deurai. In Jharkhand, they are known as Sarna Forest. In Karnataka, they are known as Devra Kadu. In Kerala, they are known as Kavu, Sara Kavu. In Maharashtra, they are known as Devrai, Devrathai, and Devgudi. In Odisha, they are known as Jhaira, Thaklurama. In Puducherry, it is known as Kovilkadu. In Tamil Nadu, it is known as Koilkadu, Swami Sola. In Uttarakhand, they are known as Devbhumi, Bhugyal. In West Bengal, these are known as Garam Than, Hari Than, Jhaira, Sabitriya Than, Santhal Bhuri Than. Maharashtra accounts for the highest number of sacred groves, followed by Karnataka. Now let's look at the natural World Heritage Sites. These are listed by UNESCO for cultural or physical significance. Now the sites are Kaziranga National Park, which is in Assam, Manas Wildlife Sanctuary, again in Assam, Sundarban National Park, West Bengal, Khela Dev Ghana National Park, Rajasthan, Nanda Devi National Park, Uttarakhand, Western Ghats, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. Great Himalayan National Park is in Himachal Pradesh. Now, Kaziranga National Park is also recognized as an important bird area by BirdLife International. Now, some of the mangrove sites are in India are in Sundarbans, which is in West Bengal. In Odisha, we have Bhitarkanika, Mahanadi, Swarnrekha, Chilika. In Arunachal Pradesh, we have Korenga, East Godavari, Krishna. In Tamil Nadu, we have Pichivaram, Pulikat. In Andaman and Nicobar, we have North Andaman, Nicobar, Vembanad, which is in Kerala. In Karnataka, we have Kharwar. In Goa, the entire Goa is like it basically lies at the mouth of Zuari River, but then Goa itself is mentioned. Now in Maharashtra, we have Ratnagiri, Vaitaran, and Malwan. In Gujarat, we have Gulf of Kutch and Gulf of Khambat. Now, pointers for prelims are that Godavari mangroves at the Korenga National Wildlife Sanctuary are touted to be the second largest mangroves in India. The largest mangrove in the world is Sundarbans, West Bengal. The mangrove forests in Andhra Pradesh are located in the estuaries of Godavari and Krishna River. The Korenga Wildlife Sanctuary located in Andhra Pradesh is home to several endangered species like fishing cat, flamingos, pelican, heron, among others. Now, Hope Island too comes under the purview of Korenga Wildlife Sanctuary. Now, marine national parks and wildlife sanctuaries.